Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you the difference after install BONOSS with spacers.
If you are looking to improve the appearance, handling and stability, then wheel spacer should be your best choice.
Pushing the wheels out a bit, don't disrupt the airflow. Hence, there will be a negligible effect on the battery consumption.
The back of the BONOSS wheel adapters has unique grooves. That's our global patent active cooling design. When the wheels rotate, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow efficiently and continuously inside the wheel spacers to take away the heat. Therefore, it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. In this way, these BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers can improve heat dissipation efficiency and reduce safety risk during driving.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS with spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!